If you feel jittery or restless hours after skipping a meal, you're experiencing your metabolism preparing for a radical, life-changing upgrade. This isn't weakness, it's a biological shift. The first day of fasting means stepping into a new zone. As glucose drops, your cells search for fuel. By the 6-hour mark, your digestive system winds down, shifting focus to repair. Stored glycogen is released, but when that runs low, your system taps into fat. This is the metabolic switch, the first step toward fat-burning efficiency. Discomfort is temporary, replaced by alertness and control. Survival mode is the body's most intelligent response. The brain and metabolism sharpen. Hormones like norepinephrine and HGH rise, boosting alertness, fat metabolism, and tissue repair. Evolutionarily, this gave hunter-gatherers mental clarity to find food. Fasting optimizes neural efficiency. Between 12 to 16 hours, the liver produces ketone bodies from fat breakdown. These are the brain's alternative, clean fuel, preventing sugar crashes. Ketones reduce oxidative stress and stimulate BDNF, improving learning, memory, and resilience. Your brain functions in a stable, optimized state. This is metabolic flexibility, running on stored fat, a key health marker.
Between 18 and 24 hours, your body activates autophagy, or self-eating. Cells clean out damaged proteins and waste, recycling them for renewal. This repair mode, recognized by the Nobel Prize, protects against cancer, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. You're rejuvenating cells from the inside out. At the genetic level, a mild stress called hormesis activates longevity genes like sirtuins and AMPK. This signaling triggers mitochondrial biogenesis, new energy factories, making your metabolism youthful. Fasting flips a hidden survival switch in your DNA. Hormonal rebalancing is dramatic. Insulin drops, increasing sensitivity. HGH increases, promoting muscle preservation and tissue repair. This anti-aging effect is enhanced by adiponectin, which boosts fat oxidation and cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Contrary to fear, fasting helps preserve muscle due to high HGH and amino acid recycling, NIH studies confirm.
Hormonal stability flattens the blood sugar roller coaster. Serotonin and dopamine flow consistently, promoting a flow state and emotional balance. Your prefrontal cortex becomes more active, improving discipline. Fasting is a mental training ground. Your gut also rests and repairs. This pause enhances microbial diversity and strengthens the gut-brain axis, reducing anxiety. Fasting is not starvation. Fasting is voluntary, controlled, and balanced. Starvation is involuntary chaos, leading to system collapse. Understanding this difference is crucial. For women, shorter windows, such as 14 to 10, are often better, requiring careful nutrient density to maintain hormonal balance and prevent cortisol spikes. Intuition is key. Common mistakes include overeating processed food during the window, negating progress, neglecting hydration or electrolytes, causing fatigue, and inconsistency, preventing cellular benefits. Fasting is a practice of listening to your body. Breaking a fast requires gradual reactivation with gentle, nutrient-rich foods such as fats, fruits, and steamed vegetables to avoid an insulin shock. Over time, fasting creates empowerment and shifts your relationship with food from habit to purpose. After 30 days, you evolve into a more efficient, awakened version of yourself. Now, here's something I want to know from you. Do you believe fasting really helps preserve muscle, or do you think it's just another fitness myth? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and your experience might be the key to someone else's breakthrough.